Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to learn about centerless grinding process. So here is the workpiece which passes between two wheels, that is grinding wheel and regulating wheel. Both the wheels rotate in same direction but at different speeds. The purpose of grinding wheel is to remove material from workpiece to improve surface finish. The regulating wheels act like a brake. It controls rotational speed and through-feed rate of workpiece. And the work race blade support workpiece as it passes through grinder between grinding and regulating wheel. Here the top angle of work race blade helps with rounding action of workpiece. With increased angle, quicker rounding occurs, but it also weakens the blade rigidity. The most common top angle used is 30 degree. The lower top angle are used when grinding heavy workpiece, which help minimizing vibration. The centerless grinding process is commonly used for high volume production. Here regulating wheels are made up of rubber or plastic material, and the abrasive types used in grinding wheels are determined by workpiece material.